everybody. I don't think I've ever done a room tour of this room. This is my room tour of the Centurion Tower, Premium 1 King, not with an ocean view. And I'm not sure if this is a non-smoking or smoking room, but I will update you in the video description when I post it. As you come in, you have a nice foyer, and it looks like they left me extra sheets. Didn't ask for them, but they did leave me some extra sheets and all that good stuff. Didn't need to use them because the bed was nice, plush and comfortable. It was a lot nicer than the one at Tropicana from a week ago. Now let's go into the bathroom. First, you have a sliding door, actually, see? That slides open and closed for now. So right now it does have a sliding door. As you come into the bathroom, you have the shower. Nice walk-in shower. Pretty good condition. It's nice. These rooms are still pretty nice for the fact they were last redone in like 2008. Then you have your TV in the mirror and the mirror. Now keep in mind, if you're looking for the TV in the mirror, you want rooms on the 35th floor or higher, at least into the fall. That's the main reason for this video, is because they are remodeling these rooms soon. I want you to see what they look like before, and then I want you to see what they look like after. Capiche? You also have this makeup mirror. On, off, on, off. Then you have your lotion, conditioner, shampoo. I have the lotion somewhere else. That's why you don't see it. There's a body soap, facial bar, the sink. Tissues. Your private toilet closet, complete with painting, an extra roll of toilet paper. No phone though. In the event of an emergency, you do not have a phone. We do have some extra towels, if I didn't point them out before, and your hair dryer. And some towels here on the wall. And you have a little coat rack here too if you want to hang some coats when you come in. As we come back out to the foyer, you have your standard locks, your light switch, your thing telling you where on the floor you're located. This is a corner room, but it's not a double window corner. So if you're in this room or that room, 01 and 02, they're ocean view with 2 windows. Keep that in mind. You also, with the Centurion Tower rooms that you don't have with the others, are the doorbells. There's a doorbell on the other side you might have seen, sorry, when we started the tour. And then you have the do not disturb and housekeeping light. If do not disturb is on, the doorbell will not work. If the housekeeping light's on, that just tells housekeeping, come and clean. Next, you have your in-room safe in the closet, along with your iron. Nothing in there, sadly. Along with your coat hangers, iron, ironing board, and your famous luggage rack. So, little scuffs on the wall, but not too bad. Keep in mind, again, these are getting renovated. So, soon. In the fall. So I'm not sure when in the fall, you know, that could be October, September, November, who knows. Then as you come into the bedroom part of this room, you have 3 light switches. The right 2 control the spotlights, the recessed lighting. Don't know what this one does, no idea. Then you have your thing here, your drawer. You have more light switches. These control, one of these controls the right side here from your bed. The other one controls the main entrance lighting. On the other side, you have another switch and your phone. And some, oh, and thank goodness, I was gonna leave my charger. Over here you have the remote, and you have the alarm clock. It's an older one, but I'm assuming they'll replace it with a Bluetooth when it's remodeled. There's your other switch again. Let me unplug my phone. So I'm not leaving my charger. That's not a good idea. And then over here you have a seating area, 2 chairs, one of which had this in it yesterday. That came from the couch. That's gross. You have nice big curtains and shears that keep the room pretty dark. When I was sleeping, I slept pretty well. And the room was pretty cool too, because I walked in and the room was 60 degrees by default, which is what I like. But I'm not sure if they're supposed to do it like that. Now you have 2 pieces of artwork, the same thing, but they're pretty nice. I like them. You have somewhat of a full mirror. It's not a full body mirror, because it could be a little bigger. But maybe you would call it that. You have a flat screen TV, your ice bucket and cups, a nice lamp here with a little tip thing. I'm gonna try not to show the person's name who cleaned the room because they didn't do a good job. But drawers to put their stuff in. I'm not gonna open one of those. And then you have your fridge, which is clean, empty. It's a mini refrigerator, not a mini bar. This is not Bellagio. And then you have the coffee maker, which is working. Your cups, your coffee. I never use that stuff. Yeah, so there's your garbage can. And actually, I did want to point something out before I end this video shortly. This room actually has not a connectivity panel, but coming out of the wall, they give you an extra RGB and HDMI cable. And I noticed them laying on the floor yesterday. So if you need to hook up stuff, you don't have to plug your own stuff in. But lastly, let me show you the view of this corner room, which is much larger than a standard room. Look at that view. You have a city view. And when I checked in, not saying where, the woman told me I would have a view of the Borgata fireworks, but I was not here to watch them. But she said I would have that view. So I could have sat in my room if it was too hot. But pretty good otherwise. You got the Bally's parking garage, which is the only part of Bally's that's still Bally's. The rest of this, Wild Wild West, is Caesar's. Parking garage is still Bally's for that one. The other 2 across the street are Caesar's. You've got the Forum Tower, and if you see right where that Caesar sign is, those windows right next to it, that is suite number 1200. So, you ever wondered where 1200 was? That's where it is. And no, you can't use the balcony. So that is one of my goals, to get that one filmed at some point. I will have to hook it up with someone to try to get that. But that's it. That is the tour of my Centurion Tower Premium King room. Not sure if it's a non or smoking room with a city view. Room 3536. Pre-renovation. Have a great day. If you like, thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.